passenger boy when they tell me just bother than me tell him.
But I you.
I wonder if you think a policeman can lock me up, so. Boy, you idiot, me pay a policeman to arrest me. Move out of my face and drive the van. You don't tell the boy to stop customer road to me. You think I beg me beg you drive?
I'm the customer road and a baby.
Hold on, you know the guy can give you in when he goes. I style you know that. You can't style me, you know. You can't style me, you know. You can't style me, because I'm police boy and put that handcuff on this. You go and laugh with that. Let me tell you.
Gang driver.
Because you don't know me. You radio man to go be and ask me. Like your ma and you. Like your ma and you.
It's you.
Me I hear you, me no Dave.
Look. There are other persons in the car.
No, you must listen me.
Hold on.
You be ask him when cuss you say. And me cuss him back.
Miss.
Because me not there in the way.
You know me can't take you out of the vehicle, right?
Yeah, but you can't lock me up. You have to call the police girl
Can't
to
take
do
you out
that.
of the vehicle because you disturb the other
And
persons
what about when
on
you
the vehicle.
go away?
And so
Go
therefore,
away. And you made a talk. You know, you come and call you me a cuss.
Therefore,
So when you cuss, what happen?
I'm asking
You see me more lock up.
Therefore, I'm asking you to cease and desist from disturbing the persons on the vehicle.
And tell him to not cuss to me because as you move off and him cuss me cuss back.
Nobody not cuss you,
Sir?
man.
You made a talk. You.
I know my man, I know my
Who is it?
man.
Who is it?
You, this is the one.
Nobody not cuss him,
The eye boy. The eye boy.